What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jesse, and this is Bender Fitness. Today is my agreed upon day to do the exercises on camera, and I want to become a much faster, more efficient runner. So we put together a fantastic body weight only workout of 10 exercises meant to be done as one round, or you can stack it back to back, do 20 minutes, do this twice, or if you're really adventurous, do it 3 times for a half hour of VO2 max exercises that are focused on everything that you're going to be needing to be a faster, more fluid, more efficient runner, because we're working on everything from our feet, our calves, our glutes, our hammies, our obliques, abs, getting our arms involved. This is high intensity. We are going to do 50 seconds of maximum repetitions, 10 seconds of rest and breathing in between. So let's get right into it. Be sure to click like if you like getting free workouts, which we have over 1,000 of on our YouTube and on the Facebooks and on Instagram. We have tons of extra free workout tips, ideas for healthy living, and we're trying to interact with you as much as we possibly can. So if you can, please contribute to us on Patreon. Everyone who does, thank you so much. Tung Su, we greatly appreciate it. It helps us to actually do this and to, maintain the lifestyle to bring you these workouts for free. That's enough rambling. I want to get this over with. I imagine you probably do too. So I'm going to hit the timer beginning. We have 10 seconds of prep. The very first exercise we're going to do is air jump ropes. If you have a jump rope, want to use it, go ahead. If not, just move your hands as if you do. I had my hair up in a man bun. As you can see, during the photos for this, it quickly came undone, so I got a man tail. And it works for me. It really helps to move your arms like this. When you're doing these jump ropes, these air jump ropes, try without. Right? That's weird, isn't it? I feel like one of the Peanuts gang in the Charlie Brown's show or something. Good. See, your calves, your legs, they should be warming up already. I know mine are. Maybe make it a little faster. Try to do double. Didn't trip once. Neither did you. Good job. Next up, Sumo Squats. We're moving the exercise up here in the glutes. Feet wide, then shoulder distance. Your toes can point forward or out in an angle a little bit. Hands on the head, straight back. We're going to bring knee to elbow. Twisting just a little bit for them to meet, so we can get our obliques involved in all the fun. I really do talk a lot. Sorry. It helps me get through the pain. By now, your thighs, your glutes, and your breathing should be really warming up. Tap down. 10 seconds rest. Next up, we have, plain and simple, lateral jumps. Hopefully you have plenty of space where nothing will fall over, you fall into anything. I'm going to give a little bend in my knees. I'm going to, as far as I can safely, jump laterally. Right, left, right, left. Once you get a rhythm going, start moving. It helps me to kind of do a little Dorothy action, tap my heels together. That's a prelude to another fun exercise. Hey, look, I'm doing another Wizard of Oz thing. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Let's go. Get in a few more. 2, 1. Next exercise, we're going to do a right and a left. We're going to lunge kick. I'll turn to the side for you. I'm gonna lunge back, come up into a kick, driving that knee first, leaning back a little, extending the leg, and repeating. I'm trying to push through my toes and my forefoot. I'll turn towards you a little bit. I need to be more controlled. I like to keep my hands tucked in, fighting position, protecting that chin, because it helps a lot with center of gravity. You start doing this, and it's a lot easier to fall over. Oh, okay. See, that wasn't too bad. Good job, front leg. Let's switch. Then we go to the other leg. Whatever you started with, doesn't matter. Lunge, drive, balance, kick. I'll turn to the side if that helps. Lunge, kick, kick, kick. See, I feel my heart rate up. I can tell I'm really starting to breathe a little heavier. This could also be a great warm-up before a good run on a treadmill, on a great warm-up for a track workout. This will get everything you need warmed up. Next, we're doing heel tap jump squats. So we're gonna put our feet together or shoulder distance apart. It's up to you. Squat down like Mario. We're gonna jump. We're gonna click our heels together. There's that other Wizard of Oz reference. I try to fly for a moment. It helps. Jump, tap, jump, tap. That's like playing jacks as a kid. Try to jump. If you can, see if you can get in. Oh, multiple claps. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I tried doing 3 and my feet just go together. 2, 1. Back home to toe. Standing knee drop twist. We're gonna get into not a lunge, but that back foot is gonna get back a little bit, almost a fighting stance. Bring it up, turn to the side. Bringing that elbow to the outside. Turn a little bit. So it is a controlled twist. You never want to jerk your back real hard and hurt your spine, hurt your back muscles. Once you're warm, once you're limber, and you know you won't hurt yourself doing this, after consulting physicians, do twisting exercises. They're great for wringing out your core and really building and engaging your low abs and your obliques, as well as your hip flexors. Drive that knee forward. Drive that knee forward. Hip flexors. These guys from here to here, here to here, those will pull your leg forward. Make you faster. Same thing, other side. Want to drive that knee, bring that elbow and try and tap the outside of that thigh. Tap, 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 tap. If you're doing this along with me, great flipping job. I know I'm breathing heavy. I must be glistening in the lights by now. My ponytail is flopping. So I know you must be working hard too. I don't care how many reps you've gotten in. I don't care how many you're gonna do, so long as you never quit. 2, 1. Get one more drive. One more. There you go. All right, okay. Last 2 exercises. Let's get those legs. Let's get those lungs. Let's Let's go surfing, brah. We're gonna do some surfers. Real wide feet. Give it a bounce, bounce. Then we're gonna hop and spin. Bounce, bounce, spin and land. Try to land, bent knees, back ready to take that bounce, ready to take that landing to the other way. I like to switch directions. Boom, 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 boom. If you need, you don't have to do the switch. An alternative would be bounce, bounce, hop. Bounce, bounce, hop. Bounce, bounce, catch that wave. Nice. Last exercise for this workout or for this round. It's up to you. Pendulums. We're gonna torture the legs and the thighs. One last time. Feet together, knees together. Squat down like you're getting in a chair. Lift up. We're gonna go laterally to one side, then the other. Hence, pendulum. We're really working those obliques, those low obliques, the tops of the hips, the dreaded muffin top. This targets that, as well as your thighs and your butt. Try to keep that back upright. Keep the bend in those knees. Try not to stand all the way up. Holy cheating, Batman. Stay bent in those knees. Did I skip something? I don't think we did. We're good. All right, so the timer.
Activity completed.
Faked me out, thank God. All right, thank you for doing this workout if you did it with me. Thank you for just watching along and maybe sort of kind of plan on doing it later. Let us know. Let us know if you do it. Let us know what exercise of this got you the most or which one you didn't like the most. Let us know. We're really trying to keep our ears open and pay attention to you, all of our followers of over 10 years. We're on 12? This is our 12th year doing this, and we're looking to bring you a bigger, badder, better Bender fitness for all of you. So again, thank you for joining. Tang Su, and I'll see you all next time.